Ever feel like you are missing a piece of the puzzle? We've designed this series to help you discover some of the great tools at your fingertips. Whether you are new to our products or have been using them for years, you can use this video series to see how to best utilize your program to meet your needs in this ever-changing industry. As you go through the tutorials in this series, keep in mind that some of the features may not be available from the ASI system you use. However, all of our products are easily upgradable. Simply contact your sales representative for demos or pricing information, or take a look at our product comparison tutorial. As we work through the areas of the program, we may point you to other tutorial series for additional details, such as accounting or tech talks, which you will find listed on our website and YouTube channel. You may find a reference within these videos for tutorials in process. If an area of interest is not covered in the available tutorials, other resources include the product manual, your ASI account rep, and customer support. We are always working to meet the needs of the agency, so check back often for documentation on new features, or to simply revisit the recommended workflow of our existing program features.